Hey Joey, we are here now at Seoul Luminaire. Let's have a look. They have a vast collection of lighting. We can have a look and see what they have in store for us. See, some of the light can actually fit into your home. If you take a look at this, like I think you have.
Wow! Oh, this is like a paper wrapper. Oh dear! It's not paper. It's aluminium. It's actually metal.
Metal, huh? Yeah. It's so intricate. They can make into like a paper light, long form feel. Have a look. Their collection is. I'm really amazed by the vast collection of light. I'm very keen on their collection.
Actually, do you know what is the difference between the normal lighting and the lighting that they have?
Lighting is a very big spectrum. In terms of design-wise, illumination also play a part to really mix and breaks an effect of your house. Look at this accent light piece here. It can be casually put behind your walkway or your headboard. You see all this illumination, even your study room, all that. It can be used in all areas in your home. I like their 3000K warm light. It's very soothing and it captivates the ambience of your home. A lot of times when we have lightings, we tend to forget we have this anti-glare. We have this UGR, Unified, so I say glare rating effect on that. So you're looking at the light, you can see the illumination is not glaring to your eye.
Yes.
So this is what I'm here to share with you, all that they carry.
It's going to benefit my children too, right? So you don't have a direct contact to the light bulb. Is that what you mean?
Yes. 1 and 2 is the one is doesn't have a glare effect. 2 is very soothing to the eye. The moment you walk in here, you can feel the place is very warm.
Cozy.
Yeah, that's the word to be.
Yes, I would like to have the smart system in my house. Is it possible for them to have partnership with my smart system?
Oh yes, for sure. Yes. So Luminaire have a dedicated team that they're able to do bespoke smart home system, and I can work with them on this part here, can incorporate into a home and how best we can bring up this smart system, which actually now is being very highly in demand. And I'm looking forward to.
Yes.
Maybe we have make some selection first for the light that you want in here.
Let's go, come.
Hey Joey, you see this art piece here? Take a look, this art piece, you can see above you the lights. You have this original, we call that original equipment manufacturer OEM. The white daylight and warm white, it doesn't bring out the life of the still picture. Take a look at Aeon. Aeon is created by Seoul Luminaire. Have a look, you see the effect.
Wow, I can see the effect. Wow, it's so different.
Imagine this is being placed in your home. You can see your furniture, your art piece, your wall, even yourself.
Even my own portrait.
Yeah, even yourself. You can the next one you can be an Instagrammable place for you. Or every corner of your house, you have this illumination. It makes us a different. Another place very interestingly I want to show is to be featured in your master bedroom. Let's have a look.
Okay.
Come and see. This is the light I'm telling you about. See the effect of it. You see, it may look like a normal round dome light. You see the light goes down, the illumination turns effect. So it becomes like a sunset look in your room. It becomes very romantic. Yes. Imagine this in your room and your hubby.
Me and my husband can enjoy the sunset in your room.
Right. Shall we do it? Shall we get this for your room? You see, I can turn here mechanically. The effect changes and the mood changes. Light is a very important part of the house. If you have without light illumination.
This one is to exam time, you on this light. So when you drink wine, you change. When you drink wine, you on this light. Is that what you mean?